Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my live stream. Today we're going to talk about, is the FOMO back? Are we going to 10K this year? Is this what I'm hearing? We're going to talk about that, a lot of people are bullish right now, and, let's talk about that. Welcome to my show. If you don't know what this show is about, it's basically about me giving you updates on a chart because that's all I look at. I don't care about the news. I don't care about fundamentals. I know some of you guys are like, oh my gosh, what do you mean you don't care about fundamentals? What do you mean you don't care about the news? Well, when you make money consistently, from the facts, you start to realize a lot of stuff in the financial world is BS. I'm not really going to get into it right now, but once you follow my show, hit that subscribe button. Once you follow my show, you'll start to realize a lot of stuff is BS. A lot of stuff, a lot of things that's going on behind the scenes. We pretty much being lied to. But hit the subscribe button if you're tired of losing, if you're tired of being down 80%, if you're tired of not making money. Hit that subscribe button right now because this is what my show is all about, showing you how to either save money or make money during this bear market and bull market. So I am a professional trader. I trade Monday through Friday, the financial markets, and also swing trade crypto. So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. I only look at the charts and I base my information off the charts because it's been working for me for a long time. I've been doing this for 11 years. So let's go to the chat room. Pop out. Hopefully you guys are here. All right, pop out. It's good to see you guys because I've been MIA for a little bit, but it's good to see you guys. A guy like me had to take a couple of breaks because sometimes YouTube could burn you out. Sometimes the crypto world could burn you out too. So sometimes a guy like me had to take breaks, but let's get this party started. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only, guys. We're going to basically go to the coin market cap first, and then we're going to go to the chart and look at the chart. But before we do that, let's give you guys a round of applause. Appreciate you guys coming in. All right, so while more people is coming in, let's actually go to the coin market cap and then go to the chart. Now, right now the market cap is 141. 141. That's good. That's real good. 141. All right. Let's see if we can actually hit 150. Because if we can actually hit 150, that's a good definitely a good sign, right? Let me see here where that 150 is at. All right, so we're moving up nicely. 150 would probably be up top here, maybe a little bit above here. That's good. That's good. All right. So, the volume is still okay-ish. I'm seeing 10 billion. Not too sure if that's correct. I don't know if they spike in the volume. Because I'm seeing the volume on the chart. It's not really, it don't look like 10 billion, but whatever. It's still not the volume that I'm looking for when it comes to a bottom. When it comes to a bottom, but it's still increasing a little bit. Let's go to the chart real quick. So let's go to the 4 hour. Let's break this down. Last time we talked about the Bitcoin chart. We talked about how it caught support right here, right? And I believe I was either, I don't know if we was talking right here. I can't remember exactly where on the chart I left. I can't remember. I think we was talking about, probably was around this area right here. Now we popped out of this big channel right here. Now right now we just looking, it's definitely looking like continuation, right? It's definitely looking like continuation. And my next target probably would be what? the top of this. Okay, it's a strong possibility it can go back to the 41 and maybe hit 42. Okay, strong possibility. Okay, now the thing is with this whole situation is, first of all, like I said, the volume is not there for a bottom that I like to see. And number two, it's just a lot of crazy talk in the crypto world. And I'm gonna definitely get into that later on, okay? But what I see right now is I definitely see continuation, right? Now, does Bitcoin has legs to make it to this high? Well, I think so. I think it could, definitely could actually hit that high. But also we do have resistance right here, so we can actually find temporary resistance in this zone right here, just to go right back down. So keep that in mind too. All right. Keep that in mind. If it has trouble around here, you know why, because we have resistance, in the past around here. All right. So what I'm looking at, guys, is let's look at Litecoin, right? And I think it was Litecoin. And what else coin I think it was? Let me see. We Litecoin I see right here. If you notice, Litecoin smashed down and went above that big red candle, right? Let's see what Ethereum did. Did Ethereum do that yet? No, Ethereum didn't do that yet. Okay. Let's see. Bitcoin Cash didn't do that yet. I think it was another one. Okay, yeah, Bitcoin Cash actually did. Okay, so we smashed down, we went above here. Okay, so just notice that pattern. Okay, how we smashed down and we went above that candle right here. Okay, so the more I'm looking at this, it's a strong possibility that Bitcoin could do that too. Like I said, I think it was another one. Actually, ADA did that too. Smashed down, went above the big candle. So, it's a strong possibility that Bitcoin can actually go above this big candle, because if you look at these other cryptos, that's what they're doing, right? They basically going above this big candle that happened in February 24th. Oh, is it February? Yeah, February the 24th. So yes, it's a strong possibility that Bitcoin could basically go above this. Okay, now, okay, the next thing is, once it goes above that candle, what's going to happen? Okay, is this it? Is this, are we at the bottom? Are we going to the moon? Say it ain't so. So my thing is, first of all, we have resistance right here and resistance right here. Okay, nobody's really talking about this big. Nobody's really talking about this big channel right here. Okay, because if we complete this, right? So if Bitcoin breaks this, right, and continues to go up right here, guys, right? So actually, let me erase that and draw it right here. Okay, if Bitcoin goes right here, guess what, guys? That means we are completing this big channel that we have right here. Most likely, there's going to be a lot of resistance right here. Okay. So keep that in mind, and let's actually do a measurement, because if we do a measurement, guess what? Let me see something real quick. Just give me a second, guys. Right, if we do a measurement, right? Let me see. I think it's from here. Okay, you take this one, and basically, let me see if I could copy it. Hold on, just give me a second. Actually, I'm just gonna drag this right here. Okay, boom. You see that? See that, guys? So basically, I took this leg right here, drag it to the low right here. Guess what? Boom, a perfect measurement right there. Okay, right at that channel. Boom. So it's going to be a lot of resistance right there. And honestly, I feel sorry for a lot of people that's basically either going to go all in or just getting hyped, because a lot of YouTubers are saying crazy things right now. Because this right here, you really don't want to get caught right here, right? You definitely don't want to be that guy right here, because all your dreams is going to go down the drain. Because this could be heavy heavy resistance just to go back right there, come right back down. You know, you definitely don't want to get caught up with that. Okay. Now, if we don't find resistance right here, most likely we will probably find some temporary resistance, right? Let's say we find some temporary resistance right here, right? And then we go up right here. Boom, we got another resistance right here, okay? Honestly, I don't think it'd be going that far up, but, you know. So just keep that in mind. And also, even if we do break this high, right, it's really no... it's no strong possibility, possibility that we can actually, we don't even have to put it like this. We don't even have to go back up to this channel, okay? Because this alone, this high of this big channel alone could actually have heavy resistance. So just keep that in mind, guys, all right? I know some of you guys are just getting, getting kind of crazy. And this is why I do my live streams, to basically bring you back to reality, right? And make sure you guys don't get too crazy when it comes to, saying crazy things like this is the bottom, we're going to the moon, load up, buy the dips. This is why I do these live streams, just to get you back, to smack you back in your head, right? To smack you in your head, in the back of your head, and tell you, hey man, reality is here. Okay, stop getting excited, because we all know that we are in a bear market, and these guys been playing games with us for a long time. Okay, for a long time. So let's open up this chat room. Shout out to everybody that's here. Let's open up this chat room. If you guys have any questions, definitely type in your questions, right? And also, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. It's good to see you guys. Especially if you're new, hit that subscribe button, type in your question, right? And tell me what you think. Tell me if you think this is the bottom. You loading up, So let's go in the chat room, all right? Actually, before we go to the chat room, let's see what's going on with XRP, guys. Let's see what last time I checked, XRP wasn't looking too good. Let's see how it looks right now. Okay, so it's still kind of suspect. Maybe it will pop up. I don't know, one of these days, but right now it's just I don't like how it looks. It's looking real suspect, but we'll see. It might if Bitcoin decides to pop up, we might have a little pop up with XRP, but right now it's just sluggish. It's just like flatlining, right? Crazy. But anyway, let's go back to these questions. Shout out to everybody here, and let me give you guys another round of applause. All right. Shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for stopping by. All right, so let's go on. What's going on, Sean, man? He said, welcome back. Yeah, man, taking a break, South Texas. Shout out to you, Charlie Brown. Crypto Fingers, what's going on? JR Riggs said, I'm a little bullish. Shout out to you. Crypto Silence of Life, tell us what's up, Big Ben. Yes, man. Orlando, shout out to you. You in Orlando. And Colin said, I just made a trade on Binance, picked up BTD sell order. Sold 20, made $260 and did not receive the profit. Sent email and I'm not happy then. So you trying to say that Binance didn't give you your profits? Man, that's crazy, bro. That is crazy. That sucks, actually. See what's good with that. I hope these guys give you your profits. Flex, what's going on? Crypto Corey, what's going on? Businessman, what's going on? Big Ben and you the truth. If I listened to you, who was you? I would have more money than her. Shout out to you, man. Shout out to you, bro. Thanks a lot for those kind words. Edward Park, what's going on? You said you just heard 1 billion worth of Bitcoin from Mac. Scan will be sold soon. Do you think this will FOMO the market, get huge nosedive in a few bottom and find a new bottom? I don't know. I'm gonna get back to your question. Honestly, I don't know that answer. Okay. really don't know the answer to that. I mean, they said he just heard it sold, will be sold soon. I don't think it's gonna. I really don't think it's gonna affect the market like that. I really don't. What's going on, Keith? You say you're listening to what? You listening while you're at work? Shout out to you, Keith. You're at work. IVO, what's going on? Jamal. Jamal said Bitcoin to the moon. He said, I remember correctly, the last bull run, Litecoin started growing first. Nah, I mean, it doesn't matter. Litecoin doesn't have to start, it doesn't really have to start the bull market. All right, so yes. All right. I'm trying to read these questions, guys. Give me a second. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, especially if you're new, just type it in. I'll try to, I definitely will get to your question. All right. 70 for Bitcoin to go down. I think I don't want to sell when it goes up another 200. Crypto Slice of Life said, I'm glad you're streaming. It helps me level-headed. Yes, man. Okay. So basically, let's talk about that. Okay, let's talk about that because, honestly, I think I heard from at least 5 crypto YouTubers saying that this is the bottom or we're close to the bottom. I'm hearing that language. I'm hearing that talk. Right? I'm hearing that talk. Hold on, my daughter's at the door. Anyway, I'm hearing that talk, guys. Like, I'm hearing that bottom talk. I heard one crypto YouTuber that said he's absolutely sure. Okay? When you hear words like that, guys, he said, I'm absolutely sure this is the bottom. We are not going below 3,000. That's not good at all. Okay? That is not good. So when you hear people talk like that, it worries me and it makes me think that, this is not the bottom. Okay. And before that, before I even heard, those guys talking anyway, I never thought that this was the bottom because, I don't think most people really, felt pain. Okay. I think the most, the guys that probably bought at the top probably are feeling, well, I wouldn't say probably, they are feeling pain. But honestly, I would say maybe 40% of those guys are still bullish, right? Or maybe even 50% of those guys are still bullish, all right? So I'm thinking we will see new lows and, it's just how the bear market works. Okay, until Bitcoin shows me a reason to actually get bullish, I'm always going to expect new lows. Okay, shout out to crypto let me see, crypto Slice of Life. He said that I'm glad you're live because my live stream keeps him level-headed, and that's what I want to do, guys. I want to snap you guys right back to reality because, trust me, okay, when I was new to this financial world, okay, honestly, I got caught up with the hype, okay, because everything is based on hype. Everything, especially when it comes to money, right? Everybody's trying to hype things up, okay? And I'm here to tell you, just by, my 11 years experience, man, it's just to trick you and make you lose your money, okay? Now, for me to turn bullish, guys, Bitcoin has to do more than this. I'm sorry, okay? It has to give me more reasons, right? It has to basically on the chart, okay, not fundamentals. I don't care about fundamentals. I don't care about the news. I don't care about, saying institutions are coming in. I don't care about that, okay? I don't care about back. I don't care about nothing that, you're reading on the news, okay? I want Bitcoin chart to tell me, hey, man, I'm ready. I'm ready to rock and roll. I'm ready to go, okay? Right now, it's still not telling me nothing, okay? Even if we hit new highs, even if we hit this, even if we break this high right here, and we go to 44, we have a lot of resistance, okay? Have a lot of resistance right here. Still not telling me nothing. So as a professional, as a guy that, basically does this full-time, 24/7, I have to look at this market and say we are still in the bear market, and I expect new lows. Okay, I expect all the rookie Moo Boys, all the rookie YouTubers, investors to get wiped out. Okay, it's just what it is. I know for a fact. Okay, I know for a fact a lot of people are loading up at this level. Okay, it's the same thing that's happening over and over and over, right? When we was in this 6,000 range right here, guys, you know how many people, said to me, "Oh, you don't know what you're talking about. There's no way we can go below 6,000. The miners, blah blah blah. This is the bottom. You stupid." Okay, boom, got trapped. When we broke those lows, everybody was scrambling. Oh man, I wish I could show you those live streams, guys. When we broke these lows, I wish I could show you this live streams. I'm talking about that's the most viewers I ever had in my entire career when it comes to live streams. I had like over 100-something people on a live stream going crazy. Didn't know what. Oh my gosh, what should I do? I thought I was never gonna go below 6,000. Oh my gosh! Help me, please! Help me! Help me! Help me, please! Help me, please! Oh my gosh! Oh man, you don't understand, bro. So professionals, we love this because we take advantage of, and it sounds weird and it sounds cruel, but professionals take advantage of rookie investors or rookie traders, okay? Because these guys always think positive, and it's sad to say, okay? Because I know, the world always taught you to think positive and blah blah blah, and honestly, guys, when it comes to especially the financial world, you can't always think positive, okay? You can't be that guy, man. If you be that guy, you're gonna get wiped out. It's just what it is, okay? I'm not speaking this out of out of nowhere, and those same guys. Remember those same guys that was on my live stream, right? And I was telling you guys, you don't see this right here? We are making lower lows. This is a big triangle continuation pattern, right? We're looking to break down, right? The same guys that came on my live stream, guess what? Oh man, why you talking so negative for, man? Bro, man, why you being so negative, bro? Man. And guess what? Boom. Boom, 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 boom. We broke out of that 6,000 triangle, and everybody was scrambling, okay? I'm not being negative, guys. That's not being negative. I'm showing you on the chart what I'm seeing on the chart, right? I'm saying, guys, this is a continuation pattern, okay? So I'm just reporting to you guys, hey, this is what I'm seeing, okay? It's not me being negative, okay? You can't always think positive, because if you do, you're gonna be that guy that's gonna be on the sideline, and these guys are gonna take your money, okay? Because you're always thinking the moon is coming tomorrow. You always have to take both sides, okay? You always gotta look at the market both sides. You can't be that guy that's always saying, oh man, this is the bottom. Oh, we're going to the moon. Guys, that don't make any sense. I'm going to tell you why it doesn't make any sense. Because the market doesn't just go one way, okay? Life is not like that. Life is not just one way, okay? We have ups and downs in life, right? Your life is about ups and downs, okay? The chart is about ups and downs. So why would you only have one view? Doesn't make any sense. But you still have people will just never get it, because you know why? They will never get it because they went all in. Okay, though you know the guys that basically saying, guys, this is the bottom. Okay, 3,000. We could never go below 3,000. Those are the guys that went all in. Okay, and they have nothing else. Okay, they don't have no other strategy but to say that, because they all in, and they don't have nothing else. Like, they just say, oh man, I'm hoping, you know, this is the bottom. They don't have no other strategy but that. Okay, so I don't want you guys to be those guys, man. I want you guys to start learning, man. Stop learning. Forget about FOMO. Like, guys, let me explain something to you. You would never ever miss the bottom if you know how to read the chart. Okay? See, you guys, if you're new to my channel, okay, this is what I want you to do, right? Guys, if you're new to my channel, this is what I want you to do, right? I have a video, okay, called this is what Bitcoin bottoms look like. Okay, this is what Bitcoin bottom looks like. Okay, look at that video. Okay, I explain it all. I explain that you don't have to catch the exact bottom. Okay, that's your problem, guys. You think you have to catch the exact bottom. No. All right, you're not a genius. Okay, no one knows the exact bottom. So what I'm basically trying to say is, you don't even have to catch the exact bottom to make a lot of money. You can still make money, okay, even if you don't catch the exact bottom. Okay, so you guys really have to, you know, start to realize that this is a different game. Okay, you have to up your level of thinking and become a professional. Because if you don't, guess what? If you don't become a professional, you're just going to be another guy that, you know, just going to get wiped out. Okay? Now, most of you guys, okay, on this live stream, or I wouldn't say most of you guys, let me take that back, okay? Because some of you guys, actually, a lot of you guys are my students, so I'm not even gonna say most of you guys, okay? A lot of YouTubers and a lot of crypto investors, okay, didn't make any money in 2018. Actually not making money in 2019. Okay, most likely they ain't gonna make money in 2020. Okay. All these guys, all these YouTubers, and these crypto investors, right? These crazy crypto investors, all these guys are doing is talking about the past. Oh man, you remember 2017? Oh man, that was a great year, guys. That was a great year. Whoo. That was the past, though. That was like, you know, almost 2 years ago. I mean, why are you talking about that for? Okay. How about now? You making money now? I mean, you know, I'm not making money now, but remember 2017? Oh my gosh, that joy is the bomb. Okay. What about now? Okay. And most of you guys, you know, most of these YouTubers, they can't tell you about 2018. They can't tell you about 2019. Okay. Because they don't understand the market. Everything is based on I hope. All right. So I want you guys to start to realize this is a game. This is a big boy game, bro. Like this the game's for only big boys, okay? And the big boys will trick you, will do everything, okay, to make you believe this is the bottom, just to go right back and take your money, okay? You don't have to believe me. You don't have to believe me, okay? But if you really want to understand the market and understand this, just watch my videos. So let's go and look at some questions, and we go from there. And if you want to learn how to actually you call that? If you want to learn how to read these charts, okay, you can check out my crypto course right here on my live stream. I usually give you guys 50% off, so check it out. Check it out right now. Check it out because, you know, I'm tired of you guys just basically, I don't know if you hear my daughter in the background, but I'm tired of you guys just basically, you know, trying to catch the bottom or fall for the hype. Guys, I mean, enough is enough, man. Okay? Enough is enough. Guys, we've been going up for a long time, so, you know, any minute we can sell off like crazy. You guys forgot, bro. I think some of you guys forgot how brutal this market could be, you know? I think you guys forgot how one day, boom, could wipe out all the gains. Guys, don't you know, right? I mean, how many days is this? This is like what, almost a month right here, or close to 2 months? Don't you know one big candle right here? Guys, look, let me show you something. Don't you know one big candle right here, one, could wipe out 2 months of work? One big candle, boom. And that one big candle will snap you right back to reality. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Oh my gosh, I forgot. So guys, check out this course. It comes with a Discord room. It basically shows you how to read the charts, how to swing trade the cryptos, and most importantly, you know, if crypto is slow for you, you can actually use these strategies to, you know, trade other markets, right? So let me put that link into the description. Right now is at half off, 150 during a live stream. When I get off a live stream, guess what? It's going right back to 300. So take advantage of it right now. So let's go back to these questions real quick, guys. Okay, so I can get out of here and let you guys go back to your life. Let me see here. Jay Khan said, no alts died yet this year. Like what happened all these years. I think Bitcoin is ready for a meh. Let me give it a round of applause. Okay. Basically, if you don't know what he's saying, okay, if you don't know what he's saying, basically, you know, I've been talking about this for pretty much the beginning of the bear market. You know, just go to my early videos. I highlighted the 5 reasons why we in the bear market, or the 5 reasons why I forgot this exactly, but it was something about the bear market, and one of those reasons was basically we have to erase, I won't say erase, but basically wipe out a lot of these altcoins, because a lot of them are useless. Okay, it's just what it is. So he's right. A lot of these altcoins didn't die yet. Okay, if you go to CoinMarketCap, these guys are still alive. Okay, look at it. It's still alive. So if you look at the last crash that we had, I can go back. I'm not gonna do that now, but if you go back, a lot of those coins got wiped out. Okay, so yes, I'm definitely looking for that. Jamal said that's what they said about the 6th floor. Yeah, you're right. 6K floor. You're right. They said the 6K was a sell. Okay, and I had to tell a lot of people. A lot of people got mad at me, but it is what it is. I was like, guys, there's no, when it comes to the bear market, there's no such thing as cheap prices. Everything can get actually cheaper. Going on, James. Let me see. Hold on, guys. Stay at home, Dad. I started a month ago. Traded a month ago. I've been trading tons of altcoin, German private Bitcoin. How do you feel? You said I've been trading tons of altcoins and jumping my profits into Bitcoin. How do you feel about this approach? I don't like it at all. I'm gonna be honest with you. if you're making profits, bro, in a bear market, you know, honestly, that's those profits should be on the side until that bull market comes, okay? So all the profits that you're making from, and of course I'm not giving you financial advice, okay? This all the stuff is entertainment only. But you know, me personally, you know, if I was making money, okay, I would have all my money on the side, you know, in cash until that bull market comes, all right? Because you know, Bitcoin could literally drop another, you know, crazy amount, and I really don't want you to get caught up with that, all right? Yeah, man, it was crazy. Yeah. What's going on, Queen Races? What's going on, Richard Lopez? What's going on? Crypto said, I appreciate realism. I don't want to give my money to the bots. Yeah, man, I hear you, bro. Yeah, man, you know, I hear you. I mean, even if we go up a little bit more, you know, this is crazy, bro. I don't know. Hold on. I don't know what my daughter is doing. Every time I go live, she wants to act up. You know, it's ridiculous. I don't know if you guys hear her, but, you know. Let me see here. Just give me a second. Big Ben, it looks like BTC may consolidate for a while, go up, go down, and having a yes, exactly. Okay, so basically, if you new here, check out Ben's course. He teaches you how to read the market. Yeah, shout out to Keith. Keith actually one of my students, so shout out to him. Yeah, if you're new, just check out my course. So basically, guys, if you look at this, right, if you start from right here in February, we had this big consolidation, right? Until we dropped off. So that's basically what, a 10-month consolidation, okay? So I don't think we're gonna have another 10 months consolidation because it usually don't just have a consolidation break and have another 10 month. It's usually not the same length. So what I'm thinking is, you know, at best we're gonna have maybe a 5-month, maybe a 4 to 5 month consolidation, okay, or maybe even 6 months, okay. So consolidation, and then most likely expect more selling, okay. I think really what I really think is these guys are trying to hold it up for Q2, quarter two, okay, and maybe start selling around, you know, probably the middle or the end of that quarter two. So just keep your, you know, eyes on that. Also, we had this right here, CBOE pulls plug on Bitcoin futures. Okay, and if you look at this video right here, this guy right here in the middle said that he thinks since they pulled the plug, it's the bottom, okay? Because when the futures, when the futures, basically, when they first introduced Bitcoin futures, that was the top. That was the top, right? Now he's saying that since they pulled the CBO futures, this could mean the bottom. Guys, this is exactly what I got. This is what I'm telling you guys. You got to be sharp. You have to understand. Look at these guys. All right? These guys have suits, ties. They talk well, right? They use big words. This is all to confuse you, bro, guys. This is all to confuse you. To make you believe. Everything these guys say is to make you believe. All right? Guys, stop it, man. I mean, are you tired of losing money? I mean, I'm sorry, but you know, if you guys are losing money right now and you still have the same mentality from 2018 or 2017, something is wrong with you. That means you like losing money. If you're not trying to change or trying to educate yourself, trying to find out new ways, new opportunities to extract money from the markets, you using your old played out strategy that only works in a bull market. If you are that guy or girl on my live stream, give it up. Give it up. Okay? You dealing with slicksters, guys that don't care about you, wearing suits and ties, right? Tell you everything that you want to hear. Guys, you know, I was looking at the chart and you know, I think this is the bottom. I really do, guys. They will tell you everything that you want to hear. Oh my gosh, he says the bottom. I believe him. My favorite YouTuber told me this is the bottom. I believe him. Guys, I mean, come on, you could do better than that. You could do better than that. Okay? Let the chart speak to you. Let the chart tell you, okay, you know what? I really believe, you know, the chart is telling me we have legs. We have money coming in. We have, you know, volume coming in. We have buyers, real buyers in the market. The chart is not telling you that right now, okay? So why are you getting excited? Why are you getting excited for? There's no reason for you to get excited. Bitcoin chart is not telling you that. Even if we break this high right here, 4,200, and go to 4,400, that's still not telling you anything, bro. That's still nothing, okay? Because 42 from 42 to 44, we have somewhere around there is most likely going to be some type of crazy selling, okay? So you still have to wait to see what Bitcoin is going to do after that. So why are you trying to get excited for? You know, I hope you guys didn't go all in. I hope you didn't take all your money in your bank account and went all in. I hope not. Okay. What else do I want to talk about? Let me see. What you guys saying? Crypto Corey said, "I'm starting to see new things in the charts every day. Thanks, Ben. Shout out to you. Let me give you a round of applause." Okay. And that's what's going to happen, guys. When you study this chart, you're going to start to see new things every single day. Oh my gosh, I didn't see that before. Oh my gosh, I didn't see this before. Okay. This is the process of, you know, becoming a professional. Okay. Most of you guys just being lazy and just don't want to study the chart. Connector said Ripple XRP. Oh man. Let me go back. Let me read these cards. Let me see. I'm new to crypto. I'm new to crypto. I started in February 2009. I bought around, okay, and watched it crash back down. I took no profits and I waited. Now, thanks to you, I took profits. Shout out to you, man. I'm glad that you're taking profits, bro. Okay, because guys, you have to understand, once you take profits, you can always get back in, man. Like, come on. All right, I'm gonna read these questions real quick so I can make you guys get out of here. I don't want to take enough time. I don't want to take, you know, time from you guys. Yeah, lock in those profits, guys. All right. You said my daughter's trying to warn the Moon Boys to take profits. For real, right? Google Gaga, take profits. That's funny. Yep, do the opposite of what they say. Selling wolf. Yep, you're right. Hold on, I think I missed some Richard, what's going on? I think I said what's up to Richard already. Let me see. History repeats itself. Yes. Flex Crypto, what's going on? You said, how are you doing with options? Right now, I'm just learning, you know, the lingo and basically you know, how to structure different trades. Okay, because you know, with options, you have a lot of you know, different ways you're gonna structure your trades. So I'm just learning that. You know, I usually take my time when it comes to learning. I don't rush. I'm a type of person. I understand reality. Okay, I understand that, you know, you're not gonna understand something overnight. Hey, what's going on? The Golden Arm. Shout out to you, bro. I hope you've been good. Where you been at, man? You been hiding? I ain't see you in a long time, bro. You said my mic is static. For real, got a static? Let me check. Anybody else? Anybody else here static? Everybody saying my mic is done. Is that true? Guys, is that true? My mic is done? Let me know. Alright, guys, so basically, alright. They said it's good now. Alright, cool. Alright. So basically, guys, you know, like I said, you know, you said you heard static for 8 minutes ago. Okay, alright. So guys, like I said, if you don't have this by now, check it out. You know, soon I'm gonna let you guys go. But you know, like I said, just don't fall for the hype. You know, and don't think that I'm a guy that's, you know, want the market to go down. I don't. I just really trying to tell you guys, hey man, we are in the bear market. I'm just showing you guys the chart, reminding you, hey, we're still in the bear market. Don't get too excited. It's just showing possibility we can see new lows. Okay, it's showing possibility we can rip down to 2,500. Okay, you know, so all I'm trying to do is give you that other side, because guys, I'm here to tell you, you always need that other side. Okay, because if you only hear positive, right, positive, you're not gonna get nowhere in life. It's just how it is. You have to hear the raw, uncut, you know, information. If you only hear, hey guys, I got some news for you. Hey guys, I think this is the bottom. Hey guys, buy the dips. Hey guys, we're gonna be okay. Just be patient. If you just only hear that, you're never ever gonna be a real successful investor or trader, because you're not going to know the dirty side of investing or trading. Okay, you have to hear that other side, and I'm that guy. I don't mind telling you telling you this stuff, because I'm a professional, so I do this full time. So at the end of the day, if someone unsubscribed from me, it doesn't take money out of my pocket, because I don't rely on this stuff. Okay. But these other guys that rely on this stuff, they gotta, you know, butter you up and, hey guys, everything's gonna be okay. You know, they gotta say that stuff. I don't. I'm just gonna tell you the hardcore truth, bro. I'm looking at BTC right now and I don't like it. You know, I mean, I'm looking at, you know, basically the weekly, and I'm seeing, you know, the market going up little by little, you know, and it doesn't look strong. Okay, it doesn't look strong at all. Basically, you know, you see how we're moving up little by little, tiny. That doesn't look strong at all. So, I'm this guy. I'm just trying to, warn you and say, hey, just chill out, because any moment, okay, we saw this so many times. Any moment, boom, that red candle could wipe out 2 months of work in one day. Okay, we saw this all the time. So, this is nothing new. Anyway, guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. Let me see if I have a couple more questions. If not, I'm going to let you guys go. It was good seeing you guys. Maybe I do another live stream this week. Who knows? Maybe I'll do another live stream. If not, I'll probably do another one next week. Okay. Let me see here. Crypto Slice said life. Slice of Life said, "Thanks for teaching us. I have no clue about technical analysis or the charts. I learned a lot from you. Thanks for keeping it real." Yeah, no problem, man. I have to keep it real. I think I think that's one of my I don't know if, I guess, purpose. I don't know, to help people out. You say, yeah, you're right, man. Some of these YouTubers are getting free merchandise. Yeah, you're right. Getting paid, to promote these ICOs, right? That's one thing I decided not to do. Like, I definitely get emails here and there to promote some ICOs, but I decided to not do that, because honestly, I know 99% of those things are junk. So I don't want my subscribers to lose any money just because they paying me. It doesn't make any sense to me. Golden Arm, I hope everything's good. Can't wait to see you back in the room. And what's going on, Sean? And thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in. Yeah, those weekly candles looks horrible, right, guys? Those weekly candles looks garbage. It looks horrible. Look how tiny they are. It's like, like, what's going on? But, like I said, we could definitely hit a new high right here. Okay, we could definitely go to 44. That's possible. But don't be surprised if we find resistance around here, have a crazy sell-off, scare a lot of people. Don't be surprised. All right. But guys, thanks a lot for basically coming through. It was good to talk to you guys. I definitely, miss talking to you guys. Sometimes a guy needs the breaks. Okay. Sometimes, we get burned out. But I'm here to make you guys see reality, and I'm trying to make you guys not get too hyped or get too excited just because everybody's talking about the bottom. Okay, I hear it. I'm hearing it a lot. Okay, I mean, like I said, one guy said, "This is the absolute bottom. I don't see it going below 3,000. It can't go." When someone said it can't go below 3,000, I'm like, that's when I know something most likely is bad. Something bad is about to happen. Okay. But anyway, guys, talk to you guys later. I hope you learn a lot. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to this channel, and have a good night, guys. All right. Good talking to you guys, and take care. Study, improve. Make sure that you trying to take your brain to the next level. Okay, study, practice. It's free. Hard work is free, guys. Practicing is free. All right, talk to you guys later and have a great day.